You search for how to buy shares of Fastenal Company. Fastenal is a U.S. industrial distributor of fasteners, tools, and maintenance supplies listed on NASDAQ under the ticker FAST. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you must use a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker FAST to find the company listing. Select the matching NASDAQ result to open the correct stock page. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it is Fastenal Company. Make sure the listing shows NASDAQ and the FAST ticker before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may execute later. And if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once the order fills, you will see the position in your portfolio. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to visit the platform for more details.